Hey guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV1. Today we're gonna go check out an amazing brand new store at Disney Springs. It's called the Disney Drop Shop and it's in the Co-op store in Disney Springs. So come with us, let's go. We're going in. Oh, look how cute this is. Oh my goodness. It's right over here. Everybody's excited. Thank you. Oh, here we go. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Oh my word, look at him, the pig. Okay. I don't even know where to go to look. Oh, I'm gonna need one of these. Like the ones that come in the set. 100%. I'm gonna need one of these. 100%. I want him and him. Aww. Guys, look at the plant ones. Okay, I'm gonna need one of these. Look at Baymax. $16.99. Add to cart. So they also have Disney trash cans, and yeah, I'm gonna need one of these. They are, how much are these? $14.99. Oh, that's not bad at all. Okay, add to cart. They also have these little guys. You foofy. There we go. I don't know what you say, but they're so cute. They're $14.99 for a box. That's actually not bad. You cannot use your discount in here, by the way. Everything is full price, as is. We have Star Wars. Look at Boba Fett. My word, Chewie. Are these bobbleheads? They kind of look like bobbleheads. These are $19.99. These are $16.99. And a lot of people were super excited for these guys. They're $16.99. Look how stinking cute they are. Oh my goodness. And then they've got some more over here. Adorable. There's some more. Oh my word, they have balloons. Look how cute these are. Look, Baby Yoda has a frog. Mando has his ship. This is called, again, the Disney Drop Shop. Wait a second. Okay, these have balloons as well. Okay, I've got to find these. Where are these at? And then they've got the Stitch ones. I already added one of these to cart. They're all adorable. $19.99, and they're soft. Like they've got a little plushie to them. Softness. So the Stitch are $19.99. Get one of these guys, and then here's more Stitch. These are Stitch's different characters. $7.99 for those. And they've got these guys, like the whole gang. And these are only $7.99 as well, so that's not bad. Mickey and Friends, $7.99. And Marvel. Again, $7.99 for these. So they have Toy Story, $16.99 for these guys. I love him, the pig. That is so cute. And then Pixar, $12.99 for Pixar. All of they're aliens dressed as different characters. Oh my word, look at him dressed as Wally. So cute. Here's some more Star Wars guys for $7.99. Okay, here's the Star Wars characters with the balloons. These are $16.99. And then the Winnie the Pooh ones with their balloons. Oh my goodness, I love these so much. Why do I love blind boxes so much? $16.99. And these are $50.99. They look like precious moments to me. I don't know what they are. I mean, they're this. But they're dressed like Disney characters. Look at Pluto one. Chip and Dale. And then over here we've got some more that look just like these. These are $20.99. $20.99. So cute. We also have some Zootopia characters, and they're $9.99 for those. And Lotso at $19.99. Here's another better look at some of these guys without the glare. Look at the one dressed like Pluto with his little house. Chip and Dale. Mickey. Donald and Daisy. Okay, these are the cutest things ever. I love this so much. I got my purchases. We'll do an unboxing. Love Disney Springs, that's so cute. But yeah, there's still a really long line for people to get in. But here is the shop right here. This is where the vault was. These are so cute. I don't know if you're supposed to put your little like blind box things that you get in here and you get pictures with them. I don't know, but these are all adorable. So cute. I love the Christmas castle. And the balloons. So yeah, the Disney drop shop. Look at that. I love it. The neon Mickey peace sign. And then okay, so drop in your vote. Drop in your empty mystery box packaging to vote for your favorite character. So once you open, they will recycle your boxes. So which one's your favorite? Either Pain or Panic. Okay, that's fun. Well, we are out and there is still a line, but it's not horrible. People are buying and heading out. I mean, it's not a huge shop, so it doesn't take that long, you know, to look and things. And I even got this video and hope you guys enjoyed checking out some of the cool little boxes that you can get. And I'm gonna open a couple of them on this vlog. We're gonna go find a table. You can open them inside. They had some tables, but they were being used, so we'll find a different table out here. Well, here's what I picked up. I did have a gift card for my birthday and, you know, different things for my birthday, but I did go a little crazy. So I got 2 of these guys. I already have one, so I'm hoping I get something different. I got the trash can one. So excited for that. Of course, I had to get a little stitchy one. I hope I don't get the sad one, but they're all cute. They're all really cute, even if I get the sad one. And then we've got the planter. I could not pass this one up either. I think I'm gonna open maybe 2 of these now, and then I'm gonna save 1 or 2 for Adventures of Jenna and Dale Instagram, because we've been doing a lot of unboxings over there and I think that might be fun. So, all right, let's unbox a couple. All right, I came with Sharon today. We were so excited for this. We were first in line for security, by the way. And look what Sharon got. She got the entire tray, so it is an option.
Yes.
And you will actually get all of them if you buy the tray. So you will not be disappointed in what you get. So yay.
Plus, possibly 1 secret.
Oh.
Possibly.
So you might not get one and you'd get
you get all of these plus possibly
a secret.
A secret.
Okay. You may have a secret. All right.
That's what they said.
Like the chaser.
So for sure the 8 plus maybe a chaser.
All right.
Yeah. At least that's how they described it.
Okay. And
I just liked all of them.
I know, it's hard to pick.
So.
And then she got the Ewok one because they're so cute. They're the same size as these guys, but cheaper. These were $16.99, I believe.
Something like
and
that.
And for individuals of these, they're $27.99. Yeah. All right, do you want to do the honors?
Yes.
All right, we're going to do an unboxing.
You can also get these in a full set if it's really important to you to get all of them.
All of them you could get, I believe. Well, I don't know. I guess I should have most of them.
Yeah.
These they had in a set in a tray as well that you could purchase. So, let's see what Sharon gets.
All right.
Dun 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 dun.
I got a bag.
A bag. I love bags.
All right.
She really wanted. Oh, here. Let's show what options you can get before we do this.
Yes.
So they have these guys.
I like all of them. Really,
They're all
but
cute.
I do like that one with pink on it.
The pink one is really cute. The original one is cute.
One.
I like that this one is holding a baby Ewok. Okay.
Oh.
Is it hard to get out?
There we go. There's a little tab.
All right, let's see what she gets. Drum
She's
roll.
closing her eyes.
Oh, he's cute.
So cute. I actually really like this one too.
Me too, the gray one.
I love how he has his own little bow and arrow.
And I love his green little hat.
I love him because he's, to me, a little bit of a nod to Merida. I know it's not supposed to be.
100%.
But it's sort of like the Merida version of
the bow and
Ewok.
arrow.
Yep.
Okay. And then
He
all
might
of
have
them,
to run with me in the princess race, which is Merida themed.
Totally.
Yeah.
And I love how all of them have these nice little hooks
Yeah.
they attach to your bag really
nice.
nicely.
Yeah.
You will not lose it.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay!
All
He's
right.
so cute.
I love it.
I love him.
And now I'm gonna do one of my little boxes. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. All right, guys. I think we're gonna do one of these guys because I'm just so excited. I really want Dale or Pluto. I'll be happy with any of them but Goofy because I already got Goofy. So
All right, they have these handy dandy little tabs. All right, let's see what I get. Oh, the table over here were so excited. They were doing the same thing, the unboxings. All right, I got a bag. Got a bag. Oh man, I hope it's not. I hope it's Mickey.
Oh yay! Oh, he's so cute.
My word, look at him. He's so cute.
I mean, you gotta go for the classic.
I love how squishy he is. Doesn't he look
That
kind of
is
squishy?
adorable. Hi, Mickey.
He's so cute.
He's really cute.
Okay. I'm
All right, that's a
excited.
good one.
That
That's
is
a good one.
Yep. All right. So there's that one, and I think I'm gonna do let's do Stitch, and I'll leave the others for something else. Maybe the Adventures video. All right. So here's all the Stitchies that you can get.
They're all cute.
They're so cute, and they're like flocked, so they're soft. Alright. Again, this is from Pop Mart, and I'm assuming that's why we're not able to use our discount. I'm not sure, but
Yes,
that's
no
my guess.
discounts.
And no exchanges. Oh,
Yeah, they
Pour that
stamp
off.
your receipt. No returns.
no returns. Okay, what do we have? Let's see. Oh, here we go. Oh, he's in another bag. Oh, he's yellow. Did I get?
Ooh, is that the special one?
That's the. It's no. It's
Oh,
it. Maybe no.
was that one of the chasers?
I got a case of the Mondays.
Oh, he's
Oh
so
my
cute.
goodness, he's so
Oh, look at him.
cute.
I was just wondering if that was one of the chasers.
I wondered
He's
too,
so
but no, it's not the
cute.
secret one.
Does he have a little key ring also?
No, he's just
Oh,
for
okay.
your, like your desk.
Got it.
He's so cute. So I thought this was like Leroy, but it's not. It's just a yellow stitch.
Mm-hmm.
Aw, okay. I'm excited. And I have a couple more to unbox, but like I said, I'm gonna do this on Adventures of Jenna and Dale on our Instagram. So if you're not following us on Instagram, follow. All right, thanks for watching the unboxing. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Going to check out the new shop in the co-op, the Disney Drop Shop. So many cool things, so many blind boxes that I wanted to get, but you know, you just have to rein yourself in. It's hard though. They were so cute. But yeah, I have a couple more to unbox, which I'll be doing and posting over on Adventures of Jenna and Dale on our Instagram. So go follow us over there. And I also posted one on Resort TV 1 Instagram as a reel. Those will be both as reels. So yeah, let me know if you guys are excited to check this out. It's very similar to, you know, a Pop Mart or a Miniso where they've got all these blind boxes and things, but it's Disney themed. Now you cannot use any discounts, no AP, no DVC, no discounts at all. And let's see what else. There was a limit, of course. I think it was like 2 per item. But you could buy, like we showed you, Sharon bought, you can buy a whole case. So if you want more, you can buy the case, but I don't think you can buy more than 2. And for now, if the line was too long, they were taking your number and then calling you back to the store. Or like us, we just waited in line because it wasn't that long and I was the 4th in line and Sharon was the 5th, so it was awesome. It was a fun morning. Hope you guys enjoyed coming along and checking out the new shop. Leave a comment down below if you are going to be coming soon and if you're excited to check it out. Check out all of our awesome sponsors. The links are down below in the description of the video. As you can tell, I've changed. I am ready for the Christmas party tonight. So from one thing to the next, I can't wait for that as well. But we'll see you guys soon. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Go check out our sponsors, MickeyVlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free Disney vacation planning advice. MickeyTravels.com to book your next trip to Disney. Also, ResortTV1Homes.com. If you're wanting to move here closer to the magic of Walt Disney World, go check out ResortTV1Homes.com, brokered by eXp Realty. Go over there, fill out the information form, and we'll get you in contact with the right realtor for you in the area that you're looking. And our last sponsor, David's Vacation Club Rentals at dvcrequest.com/TV. If you're wanting to book a stay at a Disney Deluxe Villa for a fraction of the cost, go check them out again at dvcrequest.com/TV.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.